Guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a smoothie stand. So, the materials that we needed are cardboard, pencil, colored paper, scissor, and glue. So, let's start. I'm gonna start by measuring the stand table by her waist of the doll. So I'm gonna choose Chelsea doll. And right here, 0 to 8 inches. And repeat the other side. Repeat at the top. And here. And we're gonna add some extensions. I'm going to use 4 inches right here, the left side, and 4 inches right here, the left side, at the right side, sorry. And for the top, of course, I'm still going to use 4 inches. Here, make sure you measure it correctly. Make sure it's 4 inches right here. Okay, so we're going to cut this out, and after you cut this out, you're gonna fold the edges. Just be careful when you fold it. However, the cardboard is ready to fold. Fold the line and do the top. Carefully massage. Okay. And we're going to glue the edges using a glue gun. Careful for the kids. Have an adult supervision. And working with flat objects. We're going to cover it with colored paper, and after we cover it with colored paper, we're gonna design the edges with the golden yellow paper. And after that, we are going to add some fun stuff right here. And voila, you're done. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye!